Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is to set up your Phantom wallet if you haven't done so already. And then you need to install the Phantom wallet Chrome extension, like I've done so here. Once you've downloaded and installed it, create an account or log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my Phantom wallet. Then once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click on that receive button here. Then from here, now for this demonstration, I'm going to be using Solana. So I'm going to click onto Solana and copy the address, the receive address here. Then from here, go to your Robinhood wallet and make sure your Robinhood account has crypto transfers enabled. This requires identity verification and a two-factor authentication. Then simply log into your Robinhood account, navigate to the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using Solana, and then click on send, enter the amount of Solana you'd like to transfer, and then paste this wallet address here as the recipient, and then review and confirm the transaction. The transfer should complete within minutes depending on the network conditions.